Regeneration is our passion. We empower communities and have bred and rewilded thousands of mega herbivores in several countries. Our goal is to restore biodiversity and create nature finance. We are a consortium delivering social, ecosystem, and economic restoration. Rural areas around the globe are experiencing demographic and economic collapse, decreasing agricultural revenues, ecological degradation, the migration of youth to cities. This is all resulting in compromised rural areas. This is amplifying the threat to our planet's biodiversity and increasing risk of heat waves, wildfires, floods, and more. As a result, these areas are left increasingly vulnerable. But we have a solution. Our unique methodology blends proven rewilding principles with regeneration to reconnect rural and urban communities. Targeting 5 diverse European landscapes, we aim to regenerate rural areas, enhance urban resilience, and improve communities. Each regeneration hub provides restoration, economic diversification, and community engagement that we plan to scale around the globe. Because it takes a village, and we need to act now. At a local level, our success looks like job creation, economic revitalization, and improved landscapes. Will the MacArthur Foundation join us?